Today we're replacing the hitch valve on a 6000 series tractor. It's a tidy little job. You're looking at around 10 to 15 minutes tops, as long as you don't drop the tiniest part known to man, the dime valve. Here's what you'll need: a new hitch valve, 30, 28, 27 and 24mm spanners, a 17mm slim fit socket, a small pick, clean rags and a clean piece of cardboard to catch the dime valve should it part company and make a bid for freedom. Find your tractor, preferably one you can actually reverse onto a ram. Top tip, wash the back of the tractor thoroughly, get the pressure washer out, you don't want to be elbow deep in grime. Remove the right hand end plate and the right hand selective control valve if it's fitted. Be careful here, there is a tiny little piece called the dime valve, do not lose it. Seriously, it is like trying to find a contact lens in a slurry pit.
I know it's got to be in here somewhere.
Unplug the stepper motor from the hitch valve. This is an easy one. Remove the hitch valve from the tractor. Put the hitch valve on a clean bench. Give it a little dignity before it retires.
Woody?
Remove the stepper motor from the old valve. And fit the stepper motor into the new hitch valve. Refit the new hitch valve to the tractor and don't forget that dime valve. There's a tiny recess where it goes. And that's it, job done. Simple, clean and no swearing. If you remembered the dime valve. Got another fiddly job you want us to tackle? Let us know. We're the Tractor Whisperers and we don't lose parts.